everyone, I'm Niji Sabik, and welcome to this year's Caribbean Movies Festival's All-White Dinner and Movie Award nomination announcement. This year's Caribbean Movies Festival is presenting an all-white dinner and movie award on Friday, December 23rd at 6 p.m. right here at MOCA Cafe. So ladies and gentlemen, here are the nominees.
Here are the nominees for Best Actor in a Leading Role. Tony Deleb, Dancing in the Shadow of Love. Robenson Lauvince, Lanmou Entedi. Saintanor Camilus, Puissance de la foi. Rudolph Moise, Trapped, Haitian Nights. MECCA aka GRIMO, Doub 6. Here are the nominees for Best Actress in a Leading Role. Tricia Craan, Dancing in the Shadow of Love. Gesley Alexis, Endurance. Daphney Augustin, Infidele. Sarodj Bertin, One Night in Vegas. Nadia Bowen, Doub 6. Here are the nominees for Best Actor in a Supporting Role. Junior Bonheur, Lanmou Entedi. Junior Jules, Kif Kif. Jérôme Lamartine Telfort, Le Seigneur des Prostituées. Gladimis Chéri, Sarah 2. Here are the nominees for Best Picture. Lanmou Entedi, Dancing in the Shadow of Love. Endurance. Bastard Son of a Thousand Fathers. Puissance de la foi. Here are the nominees for Best Director. Dalyboy, Heartbreakers Revenge. Samuel Vincent, Endurance. Tutu Demosthène, Dancing in the Shadow of Love. Robenson Lauvince, Lanmou Entedi. Perry Cassayol, Doub 6. Saintanor Camilus, Puissance de la foi.
Here are the nominees for Best Visual Effect.
Bastard Son of a Thousand Fathers.
Directed by Laurence Saoumi. Sarah 2, directed by Samuel Vincent.
Puissance de la foi.
Directed by Saintanor Camilus. Lost, directed by Ganel Amboise.
Here are the nominees for Best Upcoming Actor. Mackinson Souffrant, Tribulation Moins. John Starks, Petit Adoptif 2. Reginald Calvaire, Réflexion 2. Kevin Jean-Pierre, Faux Calcul. Gilbert Pierre, Cause and Effect. MC Bob, Tifosi. Here are the nominees for Best Haitian Actors in Hollywood. Garcelle Beauvais, Jimmy Jean-Louis, Claudine Auriol, Tony Deleb, Meta Golding.
Now this year's prestigious all-white dinner and movie will be exceptional. We'll have special guests and artists from all over the world. We'll even have special performances from some of the most talented singers and musicians. Now our #1 goal this year for this year's award is to show and honor and celebrate our heroes of movie making. We will celebrate and honor our hardworking directors, our writers, our producers, our DPs, and most importantly, our actors. Now, what I want you to do right now is to please log on to www.caribbeanmoviesfestival.org and vote for your favorite film. Now, at the award show, we'll have qualified jury members to determine who will be the winner of the People's Choice Award. Thus, we will allow the fans to vote at the award show. The winner will be rewarded with a $2,000 valued grand prize.